Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Before moving to video, do subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Today we will learn about English moral stories. Caterpillar has lost a shoes. It hurts her feet to walk without it. Caterpillar goes to Spider. May I borrow a shoes from you? Spider. But Spider's shoes is too small. Caterpillar is sad without her shoes. She goes to Frog. May I borrow a shoes from you, Frog? But Frog's shoes is too big. She goes to Grasshopper. May I borrow a shoes from you, Grasshopper? But Grasshopper's shoes is too scratchy. She goes to Crab. May I borrow a shoes from you, Crab? But Crab's shoes are used for digging. They are too sharp for walking. Caterpillar is too tired to search anymore. She curls up on a leaf to rest. Caterpillar decides to make a cozy cocoon to sleep in. Days pass by, and when Caterpillar steps out of her cocoon, she doesn't need shoes anymore. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon to never miss any update. Thank you so much for watching.